So, Anonymous G 101 here, or Anonymous Gamer 101. Same thing. So, today I want to this is a Minecraft video. Let me adjust my screen. Alright, and I just made an epic doorbell. Like, it repeats over and over and over again, and it's really good. So, I'm going to let the doorbell do the talking. Enjoy! And it doesn't stop until you delete this redstone. And there you have it. That was my epic doorbell. It took me, what, 10 minutes to build, I think? Yeah. So, to all my anonymous gamers out there, stay good looking. And I will see you next time.